Hello, my friends. My name is Alexander Stepanov, and now we make transformation after accident. Nail master should never do that. This was made as an exception because the client kindly asked me to do it. Tomorrow she will have the wedding day and she should look perfect. So we apply infill of gel nails, but we will remove all nails after wedding and she will visit the doctor. I'm doing all process step by step. I'm using the gel primer. Now you see that this is a very serious thing. And now I'm showing you the amazing product that I use for infill gel nails. This is the camouflage base and it helps me work fast. I'm sending this product to my friends because it has low price, $100. And it's very easy and fast to work with this gel. I have more than 200 clients. But my work is only infill of gel nails. And exactly, the camouflage base is the game changer. Because I'm just removing the old gel product and applying the new layer on nails. So it stays perfectly. And never have cracks and liftings. I'm applying the nail design. I'm using the black gel paint. Now I'm applying the foil. After I'm applying the extra gloss top coat by Shape of Nail. By the way, you can order all products with shipping all over the world if you visit the site shapeofnail.com. I advise you to use big bottles of 1000 milliliters because it's very economic. You spend $100 and it will be enough for hundreds of clients. Sometimes we ship from Russia, and if it's not available for your country, we ship from Switzerland. Now we're covering all with the top coat. And now we have the result for the wedding. This is really very special wedding, but we have transformed nails and we don't see practically the burst on the finger. And that's amazing.